Hey everybody, it's Amy again. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a hack for a sweet tooth. So basically sugar, we obviously know is not great for us, which is an understatement, and it can be very addicting, and it's also very short-lived, so it might satisfy a craving for a very short time and then you crave even more. So one of the things I like to do when I have a sweet tooth is make Jello. And I make it in a little bit of a different way. So I just use the regular Knox gelatin, but you could use, like, I haven't looked into it yet, but the grass-fed gelatin. And then the way I make it is, it's a cup of liquid for every packet. So I use 2 packets. I put it in, I don't know if you can see these, but these are glass pyrex containers. And what I do is I pour 2 packets of the gelatin powder in these glass containers, and then I add, this is called Power 7 from Trader Joe's. It's got 7 organic fruits, so it's got blueberry, pomegranate, tart cherry, black raspberry, cranberry, purple carrot, and red grape. It can be very sweet on its own. So I typically don't drink it just like a juice, or if I do, I drink only 2 ounces at a time. So what I usually do, I use that as my sweetener for the Jello. So I'll add, with my cup measure, I add 1 cup of the juice into each one of these containers, and then I take my fork and I stir the gelatin in with the room temperature liquid. Then I take, this is my 0 water pitcher. So I take my kettle and I fill it with water, filtered water from my 0 water pitcher, and then I heat it up to a boil. It only takes a few minutes. And then again, I take my cup measure and I pour the hot water in there, and then I pour a cup into each one of these glass containers. And again, I stir and stir until all that gelatin is dissolved. The nice thing also about these Pyrex containers is you can put a lid on them, and then they go in the fridge, and after about an hour or 2, you've got Jello, and it's got collagen in it, and it's much more satisfying and filling, and a little bit less calories and definitely less sugar than some of the other sweet treats that are out there. And that's my hack for today. Thank you.